Welcome to Blaze tutorial. Today we'll be looking at another UTME question in physics, cutting from 2025 exam. A man moved 6 meters east and then 10 meters at 30 degrees northeast. How far is he from the starting point? Before you solve this question, you need to draw your cardinal point. In your cardinal point, remember, here is your north, here is your south, here is your west, and here is the east. Now this man moved due east. Due east is moved from east down. Let's stop here. On getting to this place, you must draw another cardinal point to avoid confusion. Now, on this place, this man now move. Here is 6 meters. This man now move at an angle of 30 degrees northeast. So this is north and this is east. So an angle of 30 degrees. Okay. So what we have here is 30 degrees. Now this is where the man stops. This is where it starts. The question now says, how far is he from the starting point? That is from here to here. That's what we are looking for. So let's call here R. Distance. We know here to be 6 meters and here is 10 meters. This angle here is 90 degrees. 90. That makes the entire angle here to be 120 degrees. Now this is a triangle. We are going to apply cosine rule. Cosine rule. And this rule states that for us to find the distance R, all square is equals to the two sides given, 6 square plus 10 square, then minus 2 into 6 into 10, then cos of the angle that is opposite R, that is cos 120. That is why it's cosine rule, cos 120. Now 6 square is 36 plus 10 square is 100 minus 2 into 6 is 12. 12 into 10 is 120. Then cos 120 is minus 0.5. Now we now have 36 plus 100 minus into minus is plus. 120 times 0.5 will give us 60. When you sum up everything, you are going to get 196. Now this is R square equals to 190. Therefore my R become the square root of 196, and this will give us 14.0 meter. So from the question, our answer is answer D, C, 14.0 meter. Thank you for watching and try to subscribe to my channel.